Hello again. Now, the inquiry into suspended public protector Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office is continuing in Parliament. Last week, her legal team, led by Advocate Mpofu, staged a dramatic walkout. Mpofu told the inquiry that his mandate had come to an end and called the impeachment process unfair. Mkhwebane has refuted this claim, saying her legal team never withdrew. eNCA reporter Ayesha Ismail is following the proceedings. She's joining us now for the latest from our studios in Cape Town. Good afternoon, Ayesha. Welcome to today. Thank you very much for your time. Well, last week we saw the team led by Advocate Mpofu, the legal team from Mkhwebane, leaving, marching out or withdrawing. We heard Mpofu saying that his mandate had ended. But now something different happened today. Tell us.
Well, suspended Public Protector Mkhwebane addressed the committee this morning, and she sought to convince them that her legal team did not withdraw their services. However, she was unable to explain the walkout. Now, she was sitting in the inquiry sans her legal team, although her attorney, Theo Sianejo, was on the public platform. But this is what the advocate had to say after she addressed the inquiry. I had an interview with her, and this is how she explains what took place on Thursday.
And I've responded on Friday that their mandate on that day was to apply for postponement. And even the letter which was written by the attorney responding to the chairperson informed the chairperson, the letter dated 21 October, that the legal team will be in Parliament to deal with the issue of adjournment of the proceedings. And I think you've heard the application which was made by SC. And as well, after that, the SC said, what we came here for, it has been done. So then they left. I remained behind because I am accountable to Parliament, and I think I indicated that, you know, I didn't expect that, okay, they would leave immediately, but then not to say they were walking out or they were withdrawing. Unfortunately, then things were just blown out of proportion, that they have withdrawn or they have walked out. That's all what they were doing on that particular day.
So, Ayesha, the inquiry will then continue without the lawyers being present, as they'll only be available on the 7th of November. Is that the case?
That is indeed so, and Mkhwebane did explain to the committee members and parliamentarians that were sitting there that her legal representatives are dealing with what seems to be more pressing legal issues. She's got a number of legal challenges in the Constitutional Court pertaining to this inquiry, and she says that they're dealing with those issues, and it is for that reason that they will only be available on the 7th. And as you say, in the meantime, the inquiry continues without her legal representatives present, and she feels that her rights are being violated. This is what she had to say.
I was forced today to sit. I asked to be excused. I can't sit on a proceedings where my legal representative is not there. And I was giving an example, because it's like now sitting in an abusive relationship and be told that, no, just sit because we've decided that you must sit. And I feel that my rights are being violated by the committee. And even now, the chairperson, I asked, let me be excused. I was not taking notes. I was not participating. I didn't hear what is happening. They continued to violate my rights. They continued to go ahead with the proceedings without my legal representatives.